page navigation. I'll come here. You know that we have some pages. We have page one, page two, the testing page, and this page. So now if I want to navigate through these pages, I will just use the we call these shift tabs in Excel. We call these shift tabs in Excel. So I go to go to insert, then buttons. I will click on navigator. I'll come to navigator. I'll pick page navigator. I'll drag it down here. So by default, it will just detect my pages, how you name them, like this page one, page two. So now I can just use this to switch. So if you want to go to page two, you click on page two. It won't work. So you have to click and hold, press and hold the control, then click on page two. It will take me to page two. Now I will take this one down. So you can add it here too. You can add it here. So you can use this to press and hold control, click on page one. So that is it about page navigator. It helps you to navigate through your pages. Let's look at buttons. We will come back here. Okay, let me adjust this. Okay, all right. So I'll go to insert buttons. I'll pick the right arrow, just like a next button. I will place it here. I will expand it a bit. Now, if I press Control and the next button, nothing is happening because I still have some settings to do. So I will come to action. I will turn it on. I will collapse it. You come to type. By default, is back. What I want to know is I want to navigate to the next page if I click on this button. So what I will do now is I will pick page navigation. I will pick this. Now, another thing I will pick is destination. So if I click on this button, I want to go to page two, depending on the name of your page. So you see the name of the pages here. I will just click on page two. Okay. So now if I click on control and I click on this button, it will take me to page two. Let's look at another button, the back button. So also you can come to general title. You can just put here, I will put here back. You can put here back. Just like you've learned how to style, you can style it to your taste. You can look at effects. You can play with the styling to your taste. So now if I click on this button now does not need any setting because by default, Power BI knows that you want to go back. If you are using this button, you want to go back to the previous page, the page you just came from. So by default, if you look at it, the action is already, everything is set. So you just click on to take you back to the next, to the previous page. This one too, you can still give this one a title. I'll turn this on. Yes, I want to call it next. So you can give it a title. You can really take your time and adjust it very well, style it very well. Now let's look at another button. Okay, I will create a page and I will call this page contact. Then what I will do here is I will just bring my text to, I'll just put like my contact here. You can say my name. I can just say name. I'll say Nelson. Then my phone number, just say 070. All right. I can make this bold, increase the font size, expand this. So let's assume this is my, so we just have it here. I'll just place this here. Now I'll come back here. Like I'm going to hide this page. I'll just hide it. So the page is hidden. Now I can add a button here that, when I publish this report, the hidden pages will not be visible to the person that is viewing the report. But I can add a button that can take you to that page. So now I'll come to a button. Now I will use blank button. Let's use this blank. Let me expand it. So you come there, look at the styles, turn on the styles. The action is page navigation. Then destination is contact. So we have the text here. Let me call this. Okay, let me use this other one. I'll call this contact details. So I have contact details. I'll make it bold. Then put it at the center. Then I can come to style. Can Which color will I use? So I can use a color like this. And choose, okay, contact details. If I click on this blue, if I click on this one, it will take me to the contact details page. So I can add a button again. The button I can add is a back button. So I can take me back to the previous page. This one does not need any settings. It just take you back to the page you came from. You can take your time and play with this You can take your time. I can even do something like this. I can even turn this off. Take your time and play with it. I can choose to do it this way. I'll come to style. and I can even put the contact details here. Contact. So make it bold. Can make the color white. Then the field can reduce the transparency. Okay, I think I have something I don't. So here you can make it very nice. This border can turn up the border and look at it. Very nice button. So you can play with it and make it very nice. So you can, with what the simple one I've done, you can work on these buttons and make it look like a real button on a page. Very nice like it. So that is it about buttons.